Yeah, you're welcome once again to Danicom channel. Danicom channel is a channel where we take our time and walk you through all the things that you need to know when it comes to technology. We walk you through the very basic things that you are supposed to know. We don't take, we don't rush you through what we want you to get or what we want you to understand when it comes to technology. And so there are a lot of channels on YouTube. There are a lot of platforms everywhere, but on Danicom platform, we take our time, we walk you through all the things step by step. In today's video, I am going to show you something simple. TikTok is one of the sites a lot of people are now on these days that are enjoying. Others are making money from TikTok. Others are getting educational information from TikTok, and a whole lot. I want to show you one thing that you can do when you are on TikTok so that you can be able to download videos from TikTok onto your mobile phone or your laptop without the logo of TikTok inside the video. You know, when you go to TikTok and you download any video that you download will come with the TikTok icon in the video, meaning you downloaded the video from TikTok. You can go on TikTok and you see a video that is something beneficial. You want to save it and then later go back and then do a review. Those of us who have been watching educational videos and other things, you want to save it on your phone or on your laptop, but you don't want the TikTok icon to be there. So I'm going to show you a site. It's just a simple site. You are going to visit the site. You just pick the video address, just put it in the site, click on download, and the video will download onto your phone or your laptop without the logo of TikTok. And so quickly, as we have been doing, you know, on this platform, everything we say, we do the practical aspect of it. And so we will go over to the laptop and then I will show you what you will do, or I will show you the website that you will go to enable. And quickly I will show you the website you go to download all these TikTok videos for free. It's just a free platform. All right, and so let's go to the computer. As usual, when you go to the computer, you just look for your browser and type in savett.ccen, savett.cc/en. I will leave it in the description below so that as soon as you just click on it, it will open for you. So don't worry, just watch the video. So now what I will do is, I have a video link that is in my WhatsApp. This one, I want to save this video without the link or without the address or without the watermark of TikTok, or as you can say, the logo. Let me say logo. I want to save the video without the logo. So I'll just pick the video URL, paste it inside this box here. As you can see, this is the URL of the video I want to save onto my computer. So I'll quickly click on search. And when I click on search, it will go and fetch the video that I want to download onto my computer. And when the video comes up, I'll quickly, they say the time has expired. All right, so the browser has been on for long, so what it needs to do is it must refresh itself. Okay, it's not any big deal, it must refresh itself. So the site needs to be refreshed. Okay, so I will refresh it and now put in the video URL again. When I put in the video URL again, I'll click on search. So I will just click on the video URL I brought in earlier, click on search, and then wait for it to identify the video. If it's able to identify the video, so this is the video. All right, I'll quickly click on download and it will download onto my laptop for me. If you are using a phone, you can do the same thing. Just visit the URL, and at the end of the day, the video will be free of TikTok logo. So this is the video. It has finished downloading. I'll open my downloads, and then as you can see, when I play this video, there won't be any logo from TikTok. You can see that. You can see that there won't be any logo of that TikTok thing that you have been seeing. Alright, thank you very much for watching this short video. Thank you very much for watching this short video. Share to also educate somebody. This is just a place to download videos from TikTok without the TikTok logo, and so you can download somebody's video that you think is very educational or informative and then also upload it as a new video. Thank you very much.